Yo, Philly 254 living life. Back at it. So Proton has got a quick new update for you. It's live, it's out there. Proton 7.0-5. And with that, there's quite a few new playable games that I guess I'm assuming must be Steam Deck verified now, which is, we'll go to the list real quick, which is Rift, Unravel 2, Airborne Kingdom, Nancy Drew, Legend of the Crystal Skull, Revolt, Aspire, Ena's Tale, Battle Rams Zen Edition, Death Miles 2, Primal Carnage Extinction, Pico Parks Classic Edition, Six Ages, Ride Like the Wind, Dark Star 1, Indiana Jones and the Emperor Tomb, Bulletstorm Full Clip Edition. Along with that, got quite a few fixes for certain games. First one up looks like Batman Arkham City. It's got something going for it. I'm not gonna go through all the fixes. I will put a link to the website you're looking at right now with all the fixes fully explained and out there for you. But I will say this: check out proton-ge, because there are other games that might not have been verified, might not have worked or whatnot, that may work now based on this new version of Proton. If you don't know what I'm talking about when I say proton-ge, I recently did a video on it. I'll pop it up there for you to see whatnot. I'll even throw the link in the description. If you know, you know. But anyway, as always, if you like more Steam Deck videos, cloud gaming news or whatnot, by the way, that Stadia hardware refund is rolling out. I got mine the other day. Nah, it was yesterday, matter of fact. I got mine yesterday, so it's definitely rolling out. But anyway, like and subscribe. Do your due diligence. Cruise through the playlist. And if you like any of that little bit of merch that I got, click the link, the Redbubble link. Go check it out, see what you like, get what you get. And we out.